I don't know about you, but space is limited at my house, even for paper towels. I'm doing a review of this Amazon rack right here. My husband put it up for me. I like it. It adds to the ambiance. It's the same black flat that is all in my other products and stands, you know, so it doesn't, you really can't see it if it's nothing there. So we put the paper towels. How did that look? Keeps it off the counter because I am limited on space. And I like the fact that it can be up off the wall, won't get wet, and it just looks really nice. It came in a 2-pack, only needed one for right here, right now. Easy to put up, very hard stainless steel. And if you're suffering with space on your counter, put your towels up, you know. I really like this. I really like the way it's up off the counter. And I think you will too. Thank you. Thank you for watching.